Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we're opening up the Ipsy Glam bag for July. So in today's video we will be unboxing it like I just said, and then after the unboxing I will review the products quickly from last month. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes too, especially beauty boxes, if you love makeup, skincare, all that good stuff, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So we're opening up the $12 subscription today, the most affordable of the 3 Ipsy subscriptions, and in my opinion, I think it is the best. If I only had to keep one, it would be this guy right here. I almost forgot, but recently I started to include in the beginning of my Ipsy videos ways that you can use your Ipsy bags, because if you've been getting Ipsy for a while like I have, you sure can accumulate a lot of beauty bags, because every single Ipsy subscription comes with a bag. It's different each month, and even if you love all of them, it's just hard to find, reasons. So I asked you guys to submit some ways you use your Ipsy bag, so I just pulled up a comment, and today's recommendation comes from Lindsay. She actually has a YouTube channel, so I'll link that down below as well. So Lindsay said, the way I use my Ipsy bags is I fill them with women's products, a few tampons, pads, toothbrush, toothpaste, small bottles of shampoo and conditioner, and I keep them in my car so when I see a homeless woman, I hand them out. Now, how amazing is that? I think that is such a great idea. I'm pretty sure another one of you said you do something similar to this as well. So thank you, Lindsay, for sharing. I think that is an amazing idea, and I will definitely do that. And please, if you guys have any other ideas to share with us on how you use your Ipsy bags, I would love for you to leave it in the comments so we can all get some ideas and I can possibly share it in an upcoming Ipsy video. So this is what the July bag looks like. I opened up the Ipsy Plus for July already. If you guys missed that video, I can link it down below. But the bag, it's different. I think the other one was purple. This one's pink, obviously. And they're all have this material you can see through it, kind of. But I think the cutest part about it is the little airplane zipper. Let's see if there's a card with information. I don't know if they're doing that anymore. The theme for July for all the boxes is take a break, so kind of like staycation. I think that's what the airplane has to do with. Yeah, so inside it doesn't list anything about the products. It just says your ultimate beauty staycation and gives you some tips. So one item came outside the bag, so let's start with that. This is a brush from Miss Glam I can never remember. Let me get this out so I can read it. Miss Glam. No, SL Miss Glam. I knew there were some letters in there, sorry. And this is the Precise Eye E25 brush. So all their brushes always have these cute little rhinestones. Look, it's pink and sparkly. It's like a little, blending brush. I like that it's a little bit smaller than some of the other blending brushes I have since I have smaller eyes. So I will definitely use this, and I definitely think this counts as a full-size item in our $12 bag. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we have something here by Hemp's. I've heard a lot of people recommend Hemp's lotions. This is the Hemp's Fresh Fusion Pure Herbal Extracts, Citrine Crystal and Quartz Herbal Body Moisturizer. I believe the fragrance or the scent is Positive Body and Soul. It's enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Have you guys tried this brand? So this is not full size, but you do get a decent amount. There's 66 milliliters in here. Let's try some. When I was getting my stuff together to review from last month, I got a little body lotion last month as well, but I did like it. We'll talk about that later, but I know sometimes Ipsy sends a lot of the same types of products, but I don't mind because I've been wanting to try this brand. It smells good. Definitely smells like citrus. Ooh, it's very moisturizing. A little bit goes a long way. Moisturizing arms. Ooh, it smells really good. I'm excited to keep using it. Oh, and it looks kind of glittery. Not on my skin that I could tell, but if you look closely, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but from what I can see, there's a little glitter in there. Maybe that's the crystals. I don't know, but I really like this. Awesome. I moisturize all the time, so I will definitely use that. And next up we have, looks like a loose shadow by Naked Cosmetics. In a recent video, I was saying how I never ever reach for loose shadows or even single shadows. So I think I am going to include this in my future 10K Oh, we're not focusing, are we? Something's kind of up with my camera, I think. It's not focusing on my face very well, at least from where I am. It looks like I'm kind of blurry. So hopefully I am not. I'm gonna try and sit closer, like after I showed you guys a close-up of this eyeshadow. But anyways, I was starting to say that I am getting closer to 10,000, or we are on our channel. So I've started gathering a big box of stuff for a future giveaway, and I am going to throw this in there as well. So this is in the shade Naturally Nude, or NN03, and it looks like it's a pretty, I don't know if you can, like pink shade. Obviously I'm not going to open it since I will be giving it to one of you. Well, I guess a nude shade, but it looks pink to me. Oh, now it looks like it's, okay, it looks better now. I'm sorry if there was a moment where you couldn't see. Every month in Ipsy we get to select one item or customize one item in our box, and I chose this product. This is by It Cosmetics. It's the Universal Brow Powder, or what am I talking about? Universal Brow Pencil. I go through phases on like products I like want to try more of, and right now it's kind of in like brow products. I'm trying to find like the perfect one. And I've tried this a while ago and I wanted to try it again. So, and it must have been like the one that appealed to me most. I can't remember what the other options were. Honestly, I feel like the choice selection's been kind of lame for Ipsy lately. What do you guys think? So on one end there is a spoolie, and then we have our pencil on the other. And sometimes these universal shades work for me, and sometimes they can be too dark. And I know the opposite can happen to some people, like they're very dark haired and the universal ones can be too light. Really how you get the pigment you want, if possible, is how much pressure you put down. So it's retractable, so I'm just putting it up there. And I'm gonna do some swatches at varying pressures. Guys, for a second I thought like something was wrong with me when it was like blurred vision. Oh man, a bird just like hit my window. What is going on? I was like about to say that I hope he's okay. That I thought something was wrong with my vision, but then now I could see that it's focused, so I'm all good. Just the camera. Okay, so these aren't the greatest swatches. I have some like lotion on my hand to try to take off, but you could see that those are definitely 3 different colors, so I would obviously go with the lightest. So I'm excited to try this and see how it works. Right now my favorite brow product is the Winky Lux one. I found that a lot of the other brow pencils I've been using are a little too warm for me, or at least for my preference, but yeah, excited to try this out again because I don't remember my opinion. And I think that was kind of before I understood like brows, or like didn't do them often. Now our last product is by REP, or Real Elemental Practice, or is it REP? I don't know. Phytocell Moisture Cica All-in-One Serum. Before this, I filled a Korean skincare haul, and that should be up before this video. And I received a full set of all Cica products. So Cica is like centella, I believe. Is it? Yeah, contains Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica. Centella is really good at helping improve your skin barrier. Let's see what it says here. So a multifunction serum that helps even out the skin texture and boost skin conditions while providing an instant hydration. Contains Centella asiatica and Edelweiss that soothe irritated skin and strengthen the skin's natural health. Edelweiss? Why is that word so hard for me? So yeah, it can help with like irritated skin, sensitive skin. So I will definitely try this out. Developed by Neogen Lab. I don't know if I've tried this brand. Like their logo looks familiar, but I can't think of what I have tried. So yeah, that was everything that I received in my Ipsy for July. It's definitely not like my all-time favorite month. I don't think it sucks, but I don't think it's amazing. So we got the hemp lotion, which smells really good, and the brow product and the brush. Those are the 3 I'm the most excited about. I'll definitely try this little sample too and let you guys know how it is. And it's not that little. You actually get a decent amount of product in here. So in a normal serum, you get like 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. And this is 15 milliliters. So this is like half a full-size bottle, or half a bottle of the standard size of serum. So you definitely can try this out long enough to see how it works for you. So that's great. Even though this isn't the most exciting month to me, I still enjoy it. I still think it's totally worth $12 and highly recommend this beauty box over pretty much all other ones. But let's transition now into the review for June's products. Got my little sheet here. I actually been working on a video ranking all my beauty boxes, and Ipsy came up really high, the Ipsy Glam bag. There's some, I think the loser of all of the June boxes was Ipsy Ultimate, but stay tuned for that video. How about we start off with the product I already kind of mentioned. I said that we received a body cream last month, and this is actually an empty, and this is by Nanette Lepore. This is the Colors of Nanette body lotion. I think the packaging is so cute, and you guys, this smells so good. If I didn't already have like 156 body creams, I would consider purchasing this. And also there's a code on the back of this to get 50% off. Ipsy NL50. It smells so good. So yeah, I would just apply this like all over, like either after a shower or before bed, and it smells great. So I thoroughly enjoyed this enough to finish it within a month. Now I'm gonna throw it in my empty bin, a video I will one day do. I've been saying that for like 9 months. Next we got a full-size item. It is a nail polish by House of Makeup, and this is a nude color. It's flat white, and I did wear this. I had this on my nails for about a week, probably soon after I received this Ipsy, and I do really like it. It's a good nude, and I feel like lighter colors like this, like nude colors on my nails, if I mess up, it's not as obvious, so I like that. There's one item I have not used at all, and I probably will throw this in the future giveaway. This is a mud mask, and I just don't reach for mud masks. I do face masks pretty often, but yeah, I never reach for a mud mask. Maybe if I was like having a really bad acne day, but still, I don't know. Just not my preference at the moment. I always say at the moment because things could change, but this is Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask by Papa Recipe. I really don't know the significance of eggplant in like skincare, but this is supposed to remove sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. So yeah, this is also going in the 10K giveaway along with the Naked Cosmetics shadow. The item I chose last month, it's freaking awesome, is a full-size Ofra highlight, and this is like, has a retail value of $35 or something like that. It's the Ofra and Talia Mar highlighter in Covent Garden, and I love this. I think it's so pretty. I just have to swatch it. Love it. I really like Ofra highlights. I was super happy to get this in a $12 bag. And the last item, I tried this today because I only used it like 2 other times. This is the Kat Von D or KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Setting Powder in Translucent. It's just a little mini guy here, but I was happy to get it and try it out. The first time I tried it, I used it under my eyes, and I don't like it that way. I'm kind of starting to not like any powder under my eyes. I'll put like a little bit, but I find it just, after like an hour or even right away, my eyes just look more creepy. I am, you know, aging. Did I say creepy? I meant crepey. But I did like this for setting my foundation all over my face today, so I will continue using it that way. And it looks like it has like a little bit of a yellow tint, but it actually is translucent when I put it on my face. And that was everything. So yeah, I really liked last month's box, so whatever. So yeah, I really enjoyed last month's bag. I liked it more than this month, but again, I don't hate this month. So now I would like to hear from you guys. Please let me know what you got in your bag. Are we bag twins? If not, what did you get? And yeah, again, if you have any ideas on how to use your Ipsy bags, please leave them down below. And thanks again to Lindsay and everyone who left comments. Don't worry if I didn't feature your comment now, it could be another video. And still, people reading the comment section will get to read your idea and try it out as well. So thank you so much. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.